This is the sound with the wireless Boya mic. So this is the Shotgun Boya. This is the sound now directly from the Samsung S22. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to do a review of these wireless lavalier microphones from Boya, and we are going to compare them against the Shotgun microphone from Boya as well, and both of them are Type C, so they will work with majority of today's phones. So let's go and see what they have to offer. So you will receive the main kind of docking station which goes to the phone, and two mics that can work simultaneously via wireless. Both of them have noise reduction, as you can see here, so you can turn it on. So let's go and try them. So this you charge directly. You can do on the phone or some power bank. This one is charged on the phone directly, but when you install it on the phone and let's say you want to charge something additionally from the phone, then you can plug in this as well. So let's go and test them now, how they work. So this is now the original sound from the phone, Samsung S22 without any microphone, and we'll be comparing it now against these two microphones. So you can see the distance is not very far, but maybe there will be some echo sound from the room or from the AC. So we'll see how that works and is it better with the mic. So let's first try the wireless microphones from Boya. So now I have plugged in this mic and it is paired, as you can see here, and we can use this clip to rotate it and mount it on the shirt. So let's see how that goes. So we will go back to the same place, mount the mic here on the shirt, and let's see if there is any difference between the previous video and this one now. So it could be maybe it's too noisy or something. Then you can try to turn the mic upside down. So let's try that now. So the good thing is here that you can do very easily this clip. It is rotatable, so it's very easy to do it. So this is with the mic upside down, so it will be less noise. For example, if you are taking your breath in or out, it will capture the less noise. So let's try now with the noise reduction button. I will press it now. So now it turns green here, and there is some background noise from the doors and from the AC. So let's see with the noise reduction, is it less like compared to the previous video. So that will be then all from this wireless mic. Let's go now to the Shotgun, and then we'll go also some further distances to test them how they work on the longer distances. And again, the big advantage of this one is that you have one more. So if you are doing some kind of interview with somebody, you can use both of them simultaneously, which is really, really great. And the price is super cheap. I will leave the link in the description of this video below, so you can order it. It's amazing price for this great two microphones. So let's go to the Shotgun Boya now. So now we will install this Shotgun Boya. So you need to point it into that direction. Otherwise, if you are doing vlog, you can point it like on the opposite direction. So let's see the sound from this mic now. And now this is the sound from the Shotgun Boya. So the Shotgun microphones, they are actually good if you need to take the sound from one certain direction like it is now, but they are not very good at for the longer distances. So let's say you have some noise around me, you are in some room where a lot of people talk around. For that, Shotgun is very good because it will take only that one direction, but we will see how it acts for longer distances. Is it good? So this was the sound from the Shotgun Boya, and let's test now some longer distances, how they both work. As well as when we go and walk and shoot some kind of vlog videos, we'll see that as well, which one is better to use. So now we are shooting at very far distance, but still I'm a bit raising my voice just to see how far the Shotgun microphone will capture the sound, and is there any echo. So this is the Shotgun Boya. Is it really capturing the sound well or no? Let's see and compare with the other device. Now we will record the next video without any mic, so just stock from the Samsung S22. Let's see how that works. So this is the sound now directly from the Samsung S22. Stock sound, no any mic. I don't know how it will be, but I expect it to be the worst. Again, there is not too much noise except the AC. but the distance is pretty far, so I don't know how well it will capture. The sound overall in the room, it's good, so if some normal person is standing at the place where I put the phone, she or he should be able to hear me very well without any problem. But let's test now with the wireless Boya mic how it will be. And now this is the sound with the wireless Boya mic. I'm expecting it to be the best because the mic is still here very near to my mouth, and the receiver should work with this distance without any problem. Let me try to turn on the noise reduction now. So you keep it until it turns green. So now it is green. I'm expecting it to be even better sound because there is a bit of noise from the AC. But again, these are all ideal recording conditions without no wind, no nothing. So let's go now a bit outside and record some kind of vlog videos and see how that will perform with all these three combinations: shotgun, wireless and stock sound. Let's go. So the first one we are doing now is the wireless Boya mic with the noise reduction active. So there is a bit of wind, and I'm talking now with my head straight on here with the mic. So the sound should be the best. However, let's see if I'm turning my head on the side, on the left side or on the right side, is the sound any worse than when I'm speaking directly. That's the only kind of disadvantage of this mic if you are not speaking directly to it. But the flexibility that it gives is that you can record anywhere, like without any problem. You don't need to point the phone directly in your direction, so you can go anywhere. The mic will still be there. This was with noise reduction. Let me turn off the noise reduction now. So now the noise reduction is turned off. There is a bit of sound, not that much, but with the stock recording it should impact, I think. You can see by the trees and the grass. So this is without the noise reduction. And let's see now shotgun mic how it works in the walking kind of conditions. So now we are recording with Shotgun Boya. I must admit it's not the most convenient thing to do because it is bulky, as you can see it from this video. So it is not that easy to record with this shotgun mic if it is pointed directly in your direction. If it is pointed in this direction, I believe it will be easier, but like this it's not very easy for the vlogging. So maybe for some DSLR cameras it will be a bit more convenient, but with the phone it is not that much. But I believe the sound will be very good because this is now pointed directly towards me speaking. It's very near, and it will be interesting to hear the sound because now there is a lot of wind. So let's see, will it pick up any of this wind? And let's go now to the stock because I want you to hear the stock sound with this wind. I believe it will be very bad. Let's see. And finally, this is the stock sound. So there is a bit of wind going on. Let's see, will it pick up any of this? And there is some ambulance sound, so that's also interesting to hear. Will it pick up all of these things, the wind as well as the other things? And a perfect moment for us also to see how the wireless mic will act in this noisy condition. Will it pick up all of this noise? But I believe the stock sound should be the worst, at least that is my expectation. Otherwise, why you should go to buy any of these additional mics if the stock sound is the best? So let's see now wireless mic with all of this noise going on. And we are now back to the wireless mic without noise reduction. So let's see, there is again a lot of noise. Let's see how it will pick up. The thing I really like about this wireless mic is so simple. Within 5 seconds you are ready to record. You just plug it in, turn on the mic. When you see the blue light on both of them, you are paired, you are ready to go. It is simple as that. And the noise reduction also, you can turn it on while on the go. So let's try it now. So with one click of a button now I activated the noise reduction. How cool is that? And again, there is a lot of wind going on now, so let's see, will the noise reduction help? And let's see if I move around. Again, I want to record the wind that you can really see it is still going on. And now it's very easy to move. Wireless is super good, and I will leave the update in the comments below about the battery life, because that's also important. You want to go, you want to record, you don't want your battery to die immediately. So let's see how long the battery will last. I will leave that information in the comment below, as well as the link to order these amazing microphones, both shotgun and wireless mic, so whatever you prefer. Again, the advantage of the shotgun is that you will never run out of the battery because it's always connected to your device, while this mic you need to separately charge it, and maybe not the best convenient thing if you need some longer shooting. But again, if you are alone, you have two mics, so that's again advantage. Once mic battery dies, you can charge it, and in the same time you can use other device. So by the time one again discharge, you plug in the another, so it can be again this continuous recording if you have some kind of power bank to help you with. So that will be all for this video. I hope in-depth review of both of these mics, and hopefully it help you make the right decision to buy it, whichever is preference for you and your recording. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.